Hey, it's Jimmy from Pictory, and we've got a new feature that's available today in the Storyboard. We're introducing the Ken Burns effect. Come and check this out. The Ken Burns effect is a way of bringing still photos to life. It's kind of like when you're watching a slideshow, but instead of just flipping from one picture to the next, the camera seems to slowly zoom in or pan across the image. It makes the photo feel like it's telling a story, almost like a video. It's a really simple trick that adds energy and character, and it makes your visuals way more engaging for your audience. Let me show you. So in this project, I've just got a couple of different scenes, and they all have different images of these real estate photos. And if we click on one of these images, in the top ribbon up here, you'll see that there's this new icon that says Ken Burns. What's great is this is actually enabled by default, so it's on automatically whenever an image is added to the background of your scene. So every one of these scenes now has the Ken Burns effect turn on, and we can preview the video to see what this looks like. You can use this new effect for things like real estate listings, food and dining promos, or retail product videos. Transform your static visuals from dull and lifeless to vibrant and alive. This new effect automatically makes your video way more engaging and gets people interested in your visuals. If you want to check this out, just add some images to your next project and Pictory will automatically bring them to life with the Ken Burns effect. And it's available today in Pictory.